Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. My name is TT. I am from Botswana. Today I'm reacting to a friend of mine from Eswatini. Why did I say that? How did I say? I'm reacting to a friend of mine from Eswatini. Okay, so like this is one of the artists that I can listen to over and over. Maybe because I know him personally. We've done a few things. He's like one of the people that are easy to talk to, and you guys from Eswatini, please, you have to be supporting this guy, man. I'm talking about none other than Lyrikal Busta. So if you've been watching videos on my other channel, because we moved, and this one is just gonna be about music, because you cannot mix business with other things. So this one is about music, and it's about the appreciation of artistry in Africa, in Southern Africa. And I do hope you guys are gonna go check out Lyrikal's I have allergies, guys. My nose is blocked, so my tongue keeps slipping. Okay, so Lyrikal Busta's YouTube page, and there's so many, like, the videos this guy is doing, man. The videos that Lyrikal Busta is putting out there. I cannot wait for him to make like a short film. You know, like I wish he can make a short film. Lyrikal, should we just like write a script or something? Because the video quality is there, and I feel like it's one of those things that, you know, it can sell because you have the talent already. You can make something with that and like throw the video side. I don't know. I have many ideas now. Anyway, this is not about me and my ideas. Bavumile is the video I'm reacting to. I have reacted to the song, I think, and it was just a visualizer, and this one is official music video. Okay, so this is beautiful, man.
They try to shut us down, but I get this and I'm a valile. But in Pumelele, Sakota, but in never fully. Nabatala Bavumile.
Hey.
Alambane so fugile.
Hey.
They try to shut us down, but I get this and I'm a valile. But in Pumelele, Sakota, but in never fully. Nabatala Bavumile. Malabane so fugile, Salangi yambalente,
hey. I don't know how many times I've listened to this song, and every time it's like the first time. I also listen to the video. So. Hey. Skinny clubbing, see, we shut it down. You know, you see, I understand a little bit of Zulu, Debelo mixed up together. So it's a Swat. I think I can find my way if I'm lost in you know, Manzini. That's one of the towns there, cities. So I like that.
Skinny clubbing, they shut it down. No one know that we run this town. Then this push just put them up in us. You chip like no fucking matimas. Push on chalong and
fuck him.
Put this gonna blow it, they gon' have to kill us.
Hey.
Blind, see braille, there's niggas to see us, they just gotta feel us. At the corner, still chilling with dealers. Send a for a couple of divas. They try to shut us down, but I get this and get out of valide. But in this Pumelele, Sakota, but they never fully.
So I think he's saying, for those of you who don't understand, because we, no, I think he's saying, please let me know if you're from Eswatini and you're watching this. I think he's saying like they tried to shut us down. Obviously, everybody gets that. Sangena Bavumile. I think that's the chorus is. Sangena Bavumile. Like we just entered, even though the doors were closed. Okay, they tried to shut. I keep going back to that part, but yeah, that's basically what he's saying. Like we just came in. We just, like, the doors were closed, but we are in. You know, because there's nothing you can do to stop us. The force is too much. You can tell this Lyrikal Busta.
Malambane sofukile, yeah. They try to shut us down, fana get it again, abavalile, yeah. But in this pumelele, sakokota, but they never fully, yeah. Labatala bavumile, yeah.
Like, what did I tell you guys about the videos, man? Like, look at the quality of this thing. Huh? Look at the quality of this. Like, if this was like a movie written script and it's a real, like, a meeting, people talking and, like, you know, dialogue in there, I would definitely watch that. I would definitely react to that movie. I would definitely, I don't know, buy that movie, you know? The picture quality is just perfect.
Did you want to touch and see it? Cause 1 million people ain't enough for us. My possession with numbers are killing the game. Got cause I just premiered on number 1.
Hey, got cause, you know.
Song of the year. Hey, bang up, Palace, young gainer this year.
Son of the year.
My nigga, we next. Yeah, we gon' get it, my nigga, relax. Legum Yama Segusile. Tane Gulu Sebaka Yisile. So much TV, so Param Sile. So much TV, so Param Sile. Yaleka Yabalala Bashile. Tita Damet Funa Magasile. Alum Tulu Spamba Bapile. Tita Damet Funa Magasile. They try to shut us down, but I get this and then I'm a valile, yeah. But thing is, Pumelele, Sakokota, but they never fully, yeah. La batalla Bavumile, yeah. Malambane sofukile, yeah. They try to shut us down, but I get this and then I'm a valile, yeah. But thing is, Pumelele, Sakokota, but they never fully, yeah. La batalla Bavumile, yeah.
We knocked until they were opened. Hey. This is a beautiful video. Yanzesh. You see, I know a couple of guys here. So, yeah, this is a beautiful... I think I know this guy with a Sutu kind of a thing there. Oh, man, Lyrikal Busta. That's a beautiful one, bro. That's a beautiful video again. Round of applause. You guys are working so hard out there in Eswatini. I do hope that you guys from Eswatini are supporting your artists, and maybe these videos are playing in your local television station and you're watching it there and you don't watch it on YouTube. But if you have time to watch it on YouTube, go watch it right now. And if you're not from Eswatini, please go support Lyrikal Busta. Let him know where you watch him from, where you enjoy his music from. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching this. I will see you guys on the other side.